Michael O with TSP Smart Spaces here. We're in our award-winning music room project, and I'll walk you through the lighting controls that we have, which give you a real sense of how complex, but yet simple the lighting is in this setup. I'm completely off right now. Got some nice natural light coming in, and we can go over to the Lutron keypad, which has nice backlighting, and just hit room on. And of course, the room comes to life, and you see all of the different lighting on and working together in a very specific scene that we've tuned. But how does that all come together? Well, you have the ability to control individual areas. So let's focus on the columns for a second, and you can turn those off and on to be able to see really the effect that those have to bring out the details in each column. We have light for the art as well. So being able to turn that on or off and then on to be able to highlight the art in the room. And then we have the ability to control lighting in the dome. And that we were able to cycle through different lights on that dome because that's a fully DMX controlled full spectrum light. And then the half dome as well. So, and then of course, all off and all on to bring us back to that full scene, which is tuned for the room.